Good morning, y'all. I just wanted to show you. We got some vicious winds out here this morning. Right now it's been quiet down. Here it go again. And it blew down all my potted mums and broke them off. It blew off all the leaves off the burning bush. If you remember that picture of the burning bush I put on the other day. Blew them all off. Only a few on there. This is my dogwood blowing in the wind. Look how pretty it is. And over there is my Japanese maple. Look how beautiful it is. I figured I better get out here and do this now because snow is imminent. Blew off one of my little baby pumpkins laying down there on the ground. Knocked over my flag right here. It blew over my little, that's not how I had that set up there, but it blew that all over. It's blowing hard. Oh, let me show you what it did to the magnolia. It cleaned that off. The other day that was full. I was gonna come out here and show y'all how pretty my fall decorations was, but I figured, even though they're not that pretty now because of this wind, but I figured I better come out here and show you now, because I may not have the opportunity. It's cold, and who knows when the snow is coming. I haven't heard the forecast yet, but I see a lot of places got snow already. So I'm in New York. So winter is coming in. Look at my butterfly bush. That house over there, that's not mine. That's my neighbor's house. Looking so terrible over there. So try to ignore that junk pile. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here. Bye.